there, welcome to VU Sunshine. Come with me. Now you're in our paramedicine simulation lab. Here, you'll prepare for real emergency situations with stretchers, mannequins and a realistic ambulance pod.
Lovely. I'll grab the truck for
Thank
you
you.
as well.
Appreciate it.
All yours.
Thank you. Green on both sides.
Alrighty. Patient's loaded, lovely. I'm just going to go through a primary survey, David. If you're able to jump in, that'd be good.
Sure thing, so pop around.
Awesome. Alright, so patient has a patent airway, no response. Got a little bit of a snore going on. I'm going to go for an NPA here, David. Get some more patency in this airway. You able to get some vital signs for me and we'll swing back around.
Absolutely.
We'll just head over to the Alfred. Alrighty. Hopefully this one fits. Lovely. So I'll just summarise our primary survey here. Airway should be now patent. That's not going to fit. No worries. Breathing. We've got some spontaneous breathing. Respirator of about 10. So we're just going to do some non-invasive ventilation. Sorry, some intermittent positive pressure ventilation here.
I'll help you with the mask seal.
Lovely. No, that should be okay. I think I'll be right from here. I'm just going to connect up the cylinder. You able to connect this one up for me? Just connect that demand valve.
Sure thing.
Thanks, bro. Cheers. Lovely. So I'm just looking for good rise and fall of the chest. Chuck it on there, mate. Yep. Lovely. 100% oxygen. And we'll just load on.
Okay, so approaching the end of a 2-minute cycle. This looks like VT, do you agree?
One of the best parts about studying at VU is having industry partners right here on campus.
Charge into 200.
Not only do you learn directly from them, but they could also lead you to your first job.
Stop compressions. That's VT. Clear. Shocking. Alright, continue compressions.
We're going estimating about 60 kilos.
I did the pathway program at VU, so I started off doing my certificate. I then went into my diploma, which then got me into my second year of the bachelor, and I'm now about to graduate as I'm in my third year, which is very exciting.
Can you attach that? So if we get in the right position, check for rise and fall of the chest. Yep, confirm rise and fall of the chest. Can you continue ventilating every 4 seconds? I'll secure the airway in.
Into position, squatting position. Alright, on my count, so on go, we're going to...
This is the ambulance simulation pod. This is where students can come in and practice their patient care and really work on their skills in such a confined space, which is really helpful as it simulates what it would be like out on road.
Releasing back down. Ready, set, go. Gently. Lovely, let's get moving into the ambulance.
Get your straps over.
Here's the shoulder
Got the
strap.
shoulder strap. You need another buckle here.
Alright, we strapped and ready?
Raise.
We got another.
Good.
Yep.
Alright, let's get moving. Take him down to the nearest trauma centre. Alright. Alright, ready? Legs are clear. Going up.
Hey, mate. How you going? Welcome to the ambulance.
Thanks, mate.
We'll look after you. Alright.
Thanks, bro.
Done a great job here filling you in.
Thanks.
Get you up to hospital.
Let's see you in a moment.
Alright. I'll get a blood pressure on you.
No worries.
Alright. Thanks, mate. Oh, good. How's your day been?
Yeah,
Not too good, I
pretty
guess.
good. No, not great.
Yeah.
I can't remember what's wrong with me. But
You ever been in an
something's
ambulance
not right.
before?
I have.
Oh, why is that?
Broke my arm.
Oh no. I'll just put this on your finger, mate. Just there, thank you.
No worries.
Alright, do you have any difficulty breathing at the moment?
I don't think so.
That's
I don't know.
good.
Should I have difficulty breathing?
Oh, no, hopefully not.
Okay.
Do you have, how's your sensation in your arms? Is that all
Yeah,
good?
it feels pretty good.
Okay.
Right, you ready to go off to hospital?
Ready to go.
Cool, Josie's going to jump in the back with you, and then I'm going to get us going.
Awesome. Alright. Well, we'll give some pre-notification to the Alfred as well, maybe just while we're on the way.
Great plan, love
Awesome.
it.
So potential spinal injury, came off his mountain bike, and then here we are. Lovely. Is that it?
Let's go.
Awesome. Alrighty. So how are you feeling? Are you comfortable? Do you need any pain relief, or are you happy?
Yeah, some pain.